Do you see the cylinder here? Let's see if I can trace this out. So I've got my base here, and so I got a cylinder. A cylinder is not a polyhedron. Now we're going to look at surface area and volume. Surface area is exactly what it sounds like. It's the area on the outside. So all the faces and bases added together. And then the volume is what's contained on the inside. And surface area is going to be measured in squares. And volume is going to be measured in cubes. You have to include your units. If you don't include your units, they're going to be wrong. You have to get the units correct on these. Now, here is a list of formulas you can use. Now, the lateral area is the area of the sides. And lateral area we're going to use when we find surface area. On every problem that I give you a formula for, when it's surface area, the lateral area is going to be the first part. So this is my lateral area. In a pyramid or a cone, the height of my triangle we call slant height. So that script L actually means slant height. So we'll use that to find the surface area. The surface area is the ones you're going to spend the most time on because they require the most amount of work. Not necessarily to have the most problems, but you'll spend your time doing those out. Okay? And we might have to break it up if we're not finding the whole shape. Okay? So each one of these, the only one that doesn't have a lateral area is a sphere, because a sphere is just 4 circles put together, notice, 4 pi r squared. If I take a sphere and then I trace that sphere onto a circle, like I could take an orange, and I trace the circle around the orange, that's called the great circle. If I peel my orange, I'll fill up my circle 4 times with that. That's where we get 4 pi r squared from. And then we have the volumes for each of these. Notice 1/3 for pyramids and cones, because it's 1/3 of the volume of that corresponding. And it's 4/3 for pi r squared. We get that by looking at the cylinder, or the sphere inside the cylinder. Oh, geez. Sorry about all the weird marks coming across the screen as I'm talking.